It took place early yesterday morning in Bolan district, southeast of Quetta, the capital of Balochistan province. It's the latest attack on the minority Shiite group, which has often been targeted by Sunni extremists.
As news of the killings spread, Hazaras turned out in protest, blocking a highway near Quetta. The miners' bodies were placed on the road as protesters called on the government and security forces to do more to ensure their safety.
We are protesting, we are helpless. Our community is being killed every day. We have blocked the highway and the protest will continue.
The gunmen had burst into the miners' residence, taking away only those from the Hazara community. The men were blindfolded, their hands tied behind their backs, then shot at close range. Most had also had their throats cut. 6 died at the scene, another 5 on the way to hospital. Prime Minister Imran Khan condemned the violence, describing it as yet another cowardly, inhumane act of terrorism, pledging that the families of the dead would be taken care of. But Hazara leaders have heard such promises before.
The government has failed to control these terrorists. The Hazara community reserves the right to protest. Both the federal and provincial governments are responsible for this.
The Hazaras in Pakistan are a Persian-speaking people who emigrated from neighbouring Afghanistan over a century ago. The mostly Shiite minority is frequently targeted by Sunni Muslim militants in a region rife with conflict. Balochistan is Pakistan's largest and poorest region, but rich in natural resources. Bordering Iran and Afghanistan, it's at the heart of a planned multi-billion-dollar economic corridor between western China and the port of Gwadar. The local population has long sought a share of the wealth, adding a separatist dimension to a region already burning with ethnic and sectarian hatred.